Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what is all that darkness made of? Well, it turns out, scientists wonder the same thing. Let's talk about something super mysterious, called dark matter. When we look at stars and galaxies through telescopes, we see bright, shiny things. But guess what? That's only a tiny part of what's really out there. Most of the universe is made of something we can't even see. That invisible stuff is what scientists call dark matter. So, why do we think it exists if we can't see it? It's because of gravity. You know how gravity pulls you down to the ground? Well, gravity also holds stars in place inside galaxies. But when scientists looked closer, they found something weird. Galaxies were spinning so fast, they should have torn apart. But they didn't. Why? Because something invisible was holding them together. That something is dark matter. It's like an invisible glue. It doesn't shine. It doesn't glow. We can't touch it. But we know it's there because of how it pulls on things we can see. In fact, scientists believe there's 5 times more dark matter than regular matter. That means almost everything around you, stars, planets, you and me, are just a small slice of the universe. The rest? Mostly dark matter. Even though we can't see it, scientists are trying to study it. They build huge underground labs and send satellites into space, all to find tiny hints that dark matter is out there. One day, we might learn what it's really made of. But for now, it's one of the greatest mysteries in science. And the next time you look at the stars, just remember, most of what's out there is something we can't even see. Spooky? Maybe. But also kind of amazing.